Good afternoon. This week we're gonna be learning to fingerspell. I'm gonna do it first at my own pace, and then I'll do it again a bit slowed down, so it's a bit easier to pick up and learn. And then after that I'll give you some advice on how to practice, and we'll talk a bit about what we're going to do next week. So here we go. Okay, so that's kind of like my own pace, but obviously that was probably a bit too quick for some people, and maybe the angle of my hand wasn't very good. So we'll do it again now. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Advice that I can give on finger spelling is that don't just keep doing the alphabet over and over again. Try to spell random words like people's names or places or objects or whatever. Just that'll get it into your brain quicker, because if all you can do is the sequence from A to Z, and then I randomly say, oh, how'd you do J? You know, you'll probably forget, because you know it comes after this letter, before that letter. So if you finger spell different words, it will get into your brain quicker. One more thing to remember is, which might help, is that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. For me, that is a big help sometimes, remembering randomly that, oh yeah, it must be this one, because you know it's A, E, I, O, U. So that's a good thing to remember. So yeah, practice with friends. If you know anybody else who's trying to learn BSL, yeah, do it with other people. Record yourself and watch it back. That's another good thing on practicing any kind of sign language. Record yourself, watch it back. That's a brilliant thing to do. So yeah, that's it really. I'll do another video next week. We'll see how it goes. If there's anything that's not clear or anything you'd like to see, then leave it in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Next week I think we'll be doing greetings. So yeah, we'll do like good morning, afternoon, you know, good night, things like that. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll try to get my videos to be looking a bit better as time goes on. Hopefully. They're a bit rough and ready at the moment because I'm all new to this, so I apologise if they look a bit ugh. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye.